Shalom and thank you for joining me today. Today I thought we'd practice some basic Hebrew words and vocabulary, focusing on nature and its beauty. In this video, we will see trees, grass, the sky, and many more beautiful things nature has to offer. During this video, I will run across the screen the correct Hebrew spelling, the translation, and the Hebrew pronunciation written in English for you to practice. I think you will enjoy that. We will also see the nikud for each word. So let's start out and learn some new Hebrew words. Close to us, you can see some bright yellow flowers. Flower in Hebrew translates to perach, perach. Flowers, prachim. To the right of the flowers, we can see a big tree. A tree is etz, etz. At the background, we can see trees, etzim, plural, etzim. We can also see many types of plants. Plants, tzmachim, tzmachim. One plant, tzemach, tzemach. Look at the tree line. It looks like a small forest in there. Forest, yar, yar. Above the forest, we can see some blue sky. Shamayim, sky, shamayim. The plants and flowers are moving in the wind. Wind, ruach, ruach. Here, between the banks, we can see a small river with murky water. River, nahar, nahar. This is actually the Jordan River, or Nahar HaYarden. Take a look at this plant in a pot. It has many long leaves. One leaf, ale, ale. Many leaves, alim, alim. Under the leaves, we can see the soil, adama, adama. Let's go back to our flower field. We can see a few small bushes here and there. Bush, siach, siach. The plural form of siach is sichim, sichim, bushes. What a beautiful green landscape. We can see a lot of grass all around. Grass, deshe, deshe. Look at the sky. There are a lot of clouds. Cloud, anan, anan. Many clouds, we say ananim, ananim. Close to the horizon, we can see some nice hills. Hill, giv'a, giv'a. The plural form is gvaot. Hills, gvaot. That was 20 words in Hebrew, words that describe the beautiful nature. Try and practice pronunciation and writing. Try to remember how object looks like and what they sound like. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. As always, thanks and toda for watching.